Hey everyone, Talon Sei checking in here again. Today, let's talk about how to be prepared for hitting the trails with onX Offroad's Trail Reports. This feature is going to be great when you are planning a trip in areas with unpredictable weather, high elevation, and other factors that can cause trail closures. Users like you and I can actually submit these reports while we're out on the trail to keep the onX Offroad community up to date with accurate trail information. Now, just the other week, I was traveling around with a buddy in what seemed like a desert with no water in sight for miles. We were about 25 miles in on this trail and we came across an impassable seasonal river which forms because of snow melt on nearby mountains. To submit a report for a situation like this, you first click on the blue featured trail and then tap Trail Reports. From there, you can see if any reports of the trail have already been submitted. You can see whether the trail is open or potentially closed and the reason for the closure. If you are first on the scene and you notice that there are no current reports for what you encountered, you can add a trail report by tapping the Add Trail Report button. You can then select the date that you are there, the vehicle that you're driving. In my case, my garage auto-populates on my phone, which is a really nice touch. Then you can select the status of the trail, whether it's open, obstructed, temporarily closed, or even permanently closed. From there, just hit submit and keep the off-road community up to date with the trail status in real time. If you have any questions about these reports, you can drop a comment down below and go farther with onX Offroad and Trail Reports.